Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alrighty, so today is Tuesday, November the 1st, which means weigh-in day. Excuse my low energy because I'm a little bit tired. They ran me around at work today and then I had to stay late because we had a late patient. So unfortunately it's around 5:35. So I'm like an hour behind my normal schedule. I have been fasting for, I want to say almost 24 hours. So I am really tired, but I am gonna go ahead and make my meal for today, and I'm having upside down day, which of course is my breakfast food. So I'm going to whip up some scrambled eggs. I'm gonna have a half of a bagel with some cream cheese. I'm gonna put a little slice of Swiss cheese on there. I have a little bit of bacon here, and I also still have some fried cabbage left over that I definitely want to make sure that I eat up before I just don't want it to go bad. So that's what I'm gonna make for today. I just got in. I pretty much just took off my uniform for the most part. I just washed some dishes. So it's time to go ahead and make our meal. And then before I eat, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the scale and have my husband show the numbers and stuff like that and just kind of tell you guys where I was prior because I have it all logged on my fasting app. Tell you guys where I was prior when I was fasting, or before I fasted, excuse me. Trying to figure it out. Brain fog right now, I'm so sorry. Before I started OMAD for OMAD October. So I will show you guys the weight I was at and then of course where I'm at today. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me go ahead and whip up this meal really quickly and then I'll go ahead and get on that scale. Wish me the best. Where are we at?
272.
Nice. Okay, let's try it again. All right, same thing. All right, guys, so what do you think? What do you think? Maybe I should give you my starting weight. I'll insert a little clip here for you. Okay, from 283 to 272. So I have lost a total of 11 pounds doing the OMAD October challenge. Are you guys proud of me? Because I'm proud of me. That is awesome. Like awesome. That's so great. And again, not just OMAD, but keto OMAD for the most part. Keto OMAD. You know, there were little hiccups here and there. But for the most part, we've stayed consistent. And you know what? I'm really, really happy, ecstatic more is like it, that I was able to shed that weight. That is wonderful to see. And it's not just water weight. That is actual, I'm sure that is actual fat because the only thing keeping me going sometimes is just whatever I have on my body to give that energy. So I am super excited, super excited to let you guys know that I'm going to continue with my OMAD journey. I'm going to continue with my keto OMAD. So that means more videos coming up in the future. I may not be able to vlog every single day, but I would like to do some weekly vlogs and weekend vlogs just to show you guys how I stay on keto OMAD, what I break my fast with, and again, whatever I decide to cook or show, I'll show, you guys some of the stuff that I'm making. So I just wanted to give you guys the heads up, and I hope that you guys are proud of yourself as you're going through your own personal journeys, health journeys, and weight loss journeys, whatever they may be. But also, I'm proud of you guys because it takes a lot. It takes a lot to get started and it takes a lot to stay consistent and to see it through. So I'm gonna try my best to see this one through. I won't make any promises, but I'm gonna give it the old college try, right? I'm gonna give it the old college try to see this through for sure. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast because I'm starving and it's almost 6 o'clock, so I am way behind schedule. But this is my little sandwich for today. It's an open face bagel sandwich. I have my half Chompy's bagel here. I have a little smear of that cream cheese. I have some bacon strips, and then I did some scrambled eggs on top. Oh, and I also put on a piece of that Swiss cheese, which is right there on the side. And I did a little bit of Cholula hot sauce, just a little something to kind of spice up the eggs. Other than that, it was just salt and pepper. I still have some of that fried cabbage that I showed you guys. It was so delicious. And I was like, I need a green to go on the side for sure. So that's what I'll be having today. Yay. And then, oh, and then the nuts that I roasted yesterday. Oh my goodness. Those pecans, those almonds, and those pistachios. Great, great, great keto option. You can roast your own and they smell delicious. And I'm sure they're gonna taste delicious. I'm gonna definitely taste those today. Other than that, Muggy wanted to stop by and say hi. And of course I have my water jug here that I have for the remainder of my meal, but I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of your awesome words of encouragement, and thank you to all of my new subscribers, and of course to all of my old subscribers. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me on this journey and seeing me as I continue to keep going. I will see you guys another time, but other than that, take care of yourselves inside and out. Please take care of yourselves. And I will see you in my next video. Same time, same place.